Today's session is on rules-based calendaring in Caret Legal powered by LawToolBox. If you don't already have access, you can email caret@lawtoolbox.com. First thing we're going to do is under the calendar rules section in firm options, we're going to add our reminders. In addition to the 7-day email and the 2-day pop-up alert, we're going to add a SMS text alert 1 hour before the deadline and click Save. This will be applied to all of my calendaring and I can adjust it as needed. To calculate deadlines, I'm going to open a matter. Under the Events section, I can click on the plus sign to click a new calendar rule. I can choose from the available states, and under each state, I can see all of the different rule sets available: civil litigation, family, probate, USDC, state court of appeals, federal court of appeals, bankruptcy, whatever applies to my cases. We're going to choose LA County Superior Court. I'll select from the available trigger dates. I can use type ahead and enter trial date, for example. I'm going to choose the date that the case is set for trial and get deadlines. Here, I can click on any of the links to see the authority that governs that deadline. I can select all of the deadlines or deselect any that I don't need. Scroll to the bottom and click Save. So now I can go to my calendar where I can see my deadlines organized by day. Next, let's think about what we need to do when our case gets reset for trial. I'm going to go find that trial date. I'm going to click Open Related Calendar Rules. I can remove all of the selected deadlines related to the old trial date, click Delete, and click Create New Calendar Rule, and enter the trial date. And click Save. Next, let's say that I have an order that I've received where discovery cutoff has been set. In this case, it's per court order. I can select all or deselect any that don't apply and click Save. Now we'll look at reusable triggers for things like general motions, hearings, complaints served on multiple parties. We can do that by entering 2 asterisks, and this indicates that I can do as many of these as might apply in my scenario. For example, let's do the date the discovery is served. And in this case, I was given the option to choose the method of service. I've chosen electronic by fax. And I also have the option, because I may have multiple interrogatories that I'm serving on parties. In this case, my first one is, are my interrogatories served on Jones? I choose my date and click Get Deadlines and save. Thank you for learning more about LawToolBox, rules-based calendaring in Caret Legal. If you have any questions, would like to learn more about the rule sets available to you, please email caret@lawtoolbox.com.